So after sana, we say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. So this أعوذ, so there is alif and ain. So be careful. We have to distinguish between these two sounds. أعوذ. So this أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. It's also called ta'awuz. So ta'awuz is that we seek protection with Allah from shaitan, the stoned one. So a'udhu means I seek refuge or I seek protection. Billahi, in Allah. So bi means in or with, and Allah is Allah. In Allah, but Allah's name over here, it will be taken softly. Billahi, min means from, ash-shaitan, the Satan, ar-rajim, the outcast or the one who is stoned. So we say أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And then we say Basmalah. Basmalah is Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So Bism means in name or with name. Bi means with and Ism means name. With name, Allah, of Allah. But over here also, we'll take Allah's name softly. Bismillah. And then Ar-Rahman. Ar-Rahman means the most gracious, the most merciful. And Ar-Rahman is, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is most merciful for everyone, believers and non-believers. Whether someone believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or not, Allah ta'ala is merciful to them. Allah ta'ala provides them everything like sunlight, air, all the rizq, wealth, children. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides everything to non-believers also because Allah is Ar-Rahman. And then Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahim is the most merciful. Ar-Rahim is mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for specifically believers. Whoever believes in one Allah, then Allah ta'ala is most merciful on that person. And this mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is in this dunya also, and it will be at its most, at its maximum on the day of judgment, because Allah is Ar-Rahim, especially for believers. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. So after this, we read Fatiha in the next video. So once again, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.